Look what I just got in. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. I just got in a bunch of smaller lots of postcards, and you won't believe where I bought these. I bought them off of Amazon, of all places. Okay. There's people that actually sell postcards on Amazon. Now, these aren't usually used cards, with postmarks on them. These are usually newer cards. In these lots that I bought, I think I bought about 8 lots. I think I got another one coming in today, but on these 8 lots, they are newer cards. Some of them are 4x6 continental size, and some of them are kind of a unique size. They're like 4x5.5. But I just thought that, these were very unique cards. I normally don't purchase cards like this because they are reprints, for one, and for two, they're newer cards. So they're more modern, but the scenes on these cards, just really caught my eye. And I think, to either a collector or somebody who's a hobby enthusiast of things that I purchased, this would be of interest to them. And I think I got some great deals on them, and they're all shipped to me free because I'm a Prime member. So, you never know where you can pick these up. And I never thought I could purchase them on Amazon, to be honest with you, until one day I was on Amazon and I just typed in postcards and there it is. So this is kind of an unboxing, but it's really an unbagging because, these came in an Amazon box all together, but they came in individual plastic sleeves, like bags. So I'm going to kind of unveil them here and just show them to you real quick. Here's a really unique scene there. Let me see if I can undo this. I can show you these. Really cool cards. Yeah, these are really nice. Check these out. Look at that. The thing I liked about these were they were all old cards in actual scenes. I've seen cards like this. Okay. And they all have pretty much the same back. So I'm not really, here's the card. They're actual scenes like, back in the day. They all have kind of the same backs. Here it is. Okay, so I'm just not going to show you those because they're all the same. But I just thought the subject matter was really good. I've seen other cards like this where they would depict an old car, but they would put it against a white background. Not very interesting. But the way they did these is they put them against a scene like you would see it in the day. Okay, look at this. Part of the bridge in New York. Forget which bridge that is, but pretty cool. Look at this one. And these are like, these were for like the upper crust, people, the elite. Look at those cars. That's a chauffeur. Pretty cool. Look at this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful subject matter on these cards. I love it. And I think, like I said, I think like these are all chauffeur-driven cars, for the wealthy. I think they will spark some interest. Whether you're a collector or whether you're just a car enthusiast, I picked certain topics. I went through all the cards and I just picked certain. Here's a beautiful car. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? This looks like it's in front of some kind of a bus station or a train station. Pretty cool. Oh, check this one out. This one's different. Now, this is the kind of card that's like, I think these are like 4x5.5. Beautiful, beautiful cards. Beautiful. I'm rifling through these fast because I got to go through all these, kind of a old set in the Western theme motif. Oh, here's one with a guy with a vote sign, when the women's vote was very big. And, these, I just love, I mean, I understand these are all like artist renditions, but I just think they're incredibly interesting. There's one with a sailboat. There's one at a dock with boats in the picture, people in the pictures. You know, that, like I said, these are all set as if they were photographed at the time that these things were actually happening. You know, the time periods. Pretty cool. And then we've got this one here. Awesome. Okay, that's one lot right there. Now, I'm not going to be able to go through all of these, obviously, because some of these lots have like 50 cards. You know, most of them were like 25, but some of these have like 50. So I'm going to pick out, you know, what I think are the most interesting to show to you guys. I wanted to show you these because these are like just cities and towns around the USA. I think there's Hollywood. These are more like 4x6. Travel by train. This is a portrait. Very nice. State map of California. Trying to avoid the glare because these are all considered really chrome cards and glossies. You can see that reflection. I'm trying to not show you the reflection. California quail. I guess that's a state bird. Pretty nice. And let me see. Oh, here's one. Keep calm and visit California. That's funny. Keep calm and visit California. That's pretty neat. Joshua Tree National Monument. This is where a lot of photographers go to photograph that area. Big Sur. Beautiful, beautiful angle. These aren't artist depictions. These are actual, all beautifully photographed. Yosemite National Park, California. That's pretty cool. It's another portrait. Death Valley. Yeah, Death Valley National Park. Beautiful scenes. Of course, the Golden Gate Bridge. Beautiful. And Santa Barbara. Looks like an old mission. But these are all brand new cards. I don't usually purchase, you know, new cards like this, but they had such interesting subject matter. And I think that's an important factor as far as making a sale. What the subject matter on each card. Here's a large letter. Los Angeles. These always do well. And here's another one. San Francisco. There's about 3 in this lot. Beautifully, beautifully done. Here's one that just says California. Greetings from California. Nice. Nice, nice. Pick out some more here. Now here's one that's very interesting. These are what some people might call anthropomorphic cards. And, you know, like cats, animals dressed up like humans. These are like 4x5 in size. Very interesting cards. This one's kind of cartoonish. I think it's still interesting. Same thing here. Now, I'm noticing, see, this is the first time I'm opening these, you know, with you live. And I'm noticing that a lot of these aren't dressed up as humans, but they're kind of acting like humans, you know. I think it's interesting. You know, and they're cute little animals. Don't know what I'm going to charge for these yet. They're artistic. Expression. Very expressionary. Here's a very cute, if you're into cats, here's a very cute one. I think this one might be a duplicate there. There's another one. Cat playing tennis. How many cats you know play tennis? Here's one in flowers. Another one. Beautiful. Looks like this one. Now here is one that suggests like cats dressing up like humans, doing things humans do. This would be more or less along the lines of anthropomorphic. And cat sitting down in a chair. playing ball. Cute cats around a flower pot. And this is the way they look on the back, by the way. And they're all the same. Looks like cats playing some kind of a game. So, very interesting subject matter. There we go. Let's see here. And cats having tea. Pretty cool. And here's another anthropomorphic type of style. Let me know what you think in the comments about these cards. It's cats like it's some kind of a party. Enjoying a party. Oops. Okay. That's all I need to show you from that lot. Like I said, I can't show you everything because some of these lots, there's like 50 cards. Here's one I really wanted to show you, though. This one really caught my eye. I don't know, I'm kind of a fan of old-time beautiful women dressed up with the big hats, you know, big beautiful hats. These are artist renditions. These are like 4x5, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Another one. These are, like I said, artist renditions. They're very well done. Very, very well done. And I think these will sell well. Here's the back of those, just so you can see. Here's another one. Nice bonnet. Some of these don't have hats, but still they're beautiful. All these are young, pretty women. And those have a tendency to do very well. Here's one with a big floppy hat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Another one, no hat, but that's okay. They're kind of like old portraits. I just love the way they're dressed. Back in the old days when ladies wore dresses. There's another, and I mean the detail in these is just amazing. These are very, very well done. I'm very happy with these. These are going to sell well. I'm just going to show you some of the other ones here, just the front covers. Here's like artist scenes from other countries. There's going to be a bunch in there. And then you got more cars. These have a tendency to look more presidential, but still back in the old days. Beautiful. Let's see, now this looks like a 50 lot. Oh, I know what these are. These are different. This one's different states. Yeah, I think it might even be all 50 states. I'll just show you a few here because there's like probably 50 cards in here for 50 states. But I think it shows like the state bird and some other information. These are like 4x6 size. There's Alabama. There's Alaska. I'm not going to rifle through, all 50 states, but you kind of get the picture. It's Arizona. It kind of shows the state bird, state flower, the state map, that kind of thing. And there's Arkansas. And it's all 50 states. It's California, of course. And that's kind of what those are all about. Very nice. I'm very happy with that. That was one of the lots that caught my eye because I love things that have to do with state maps and things like that. Oh, I see what these are. That other lot that I showed you with the 50 cards, that is like every state in the country, and it shows the state birds, shows the state map, state flower, that kind of thing. But these are a little different. These show every state in the country, but it just shows a scene, like Arkansas. There's a waterfall. It says Arkansas on it. And then we've got Alabama. And it just shows you a beautiful scenic. That's why I chose these ones. Okay, and these are 4x6 continental size. Here's the backs of those. See if I get it right side up here. Here's the back of those, what those look like. They're all the same. But each one of these has a beautiful scene, like Alaska. I'm just showing you a few here. Arizona, you know that scene. And each one has the state on it, you know, something that might be recognizable from that state. California, that kind of thing. Colorado, beautiful. That's the difference between these two. Okay, what else we got? We got one more here to show you. Yeah, one more. I didn't want this video to go too long. See what this one is. Oh, this is all big letter cards. That's why I bought this one. Yeah, this is all, I love big letter cards. And these are 4x6, like New York City. And here's Los Angeles, California. Every single one of these cards is like big letter. And brand new, you know. What's this one? Chicago. This is a city. And oh, these are certain cities. That's what it is. This is Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, San Francisco, California, and Washington, D.C., Boston, Massachusetts. Know that place well. It's where I was born, believe it or not. We didn't live there very long. Maybe the first year of my life. And then we moved to a little town about 45 minutes north. Howdy from Dallas, Texas. This is Miami Beach, Florida. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And here's the backs on these. This is Seattle, Washington. I think these are all like major cities, major capital cities, maybe. Las Vegas, Nevada. Looks like Charleston, South Carolina. Beautiful. Orlando, Florida. Yeah, these are like major cities. Beautiful. Rapid City, Black Hills, South Dakota. South Dakota. New Orleans, Louisiana. Cape Cod, Massachusetts. I knew it was in Massachusetts. Niagara Falls. Grand Canyon, Arizona. Yeah, these are like major places. And these are all large, big letters. So these will do well. Okay. Well, I tried to show you a good mix of those. And this is the first time I've opened them. So, and looked, and I'm very, very happy with what I purchased, you know, from these lots. I think I got one more lot coming. I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. And let me know in the comments what you think of those cards, and let's have a conversation about it. Okay? Listen, I got to go, but you know the drill. If you got anything out of this video, make sure you smash that like button. It helps the channel. I appreciate it. And I guess that's it for now. I'm going to go, but you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.